Just to remind you, I will be doing a live stream this Sunday night at 7 p.m. UK time. Okay. Hi there, students. Minutiae. Notice the pronunciation. Minutiae. Minutiae are small, tiny details. All the small details of something. So, he explained to us the minutiae of the plan because he needed us to know everything that was going to happen and how everything was going to work. The smallest trivial details. Let's see, if your English is B2, then you shouldn't worry so much about the minutiae of the English language when you're speaking. However, if you're a C2, the minutiae are very, very important. Okay, so the little details. For example, the phrase, once in a blue moon, very rarely. Well, if you got the minutiae wrong, you could say once in the blue moon. But in English you can't say the blue moon, it's once in a blue moon. And that I would call the minutiae of getting it right. Okay, so the minutiae are the smallest details. You went on a date last night. I want to know all the minutiae of what happened. Explain it in detail. I know you've been to the toilet, but I don't want to hear the minutiae of your going to the toilet, please. It's disgusting. Okay, so the small, tiny details of something. Yeah, this comes from Latin. Is the plural of Minutiae, smallness. Okay, so minutiae, the small details. I need to know the minutiae of how this program works, because if I'm going to debug it, I need to know exactly how everything, down to the smallest detail, to the smallest thing, works. Okay? Now, what about formality? Once again, I think this is less formal than you might expect. I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. Yeah? I think you could use this in a conversation in the pub, although you might use the small trivial details. You could definitely use this in a formal writing, and it sounds quite good. So minutiae are the small details, the small facts about how something works, about how it holds together, okay? The minutiae. If you're a scientist, you want to know about the minutiae of how something works. If you're just interested in it, then a general overview would be fine, but the minutiae are much less important. Okay? So, minutiae, small details, the small, trivial, tiny little bits. I try to explain the meaning of words and the minutiae and nuances of different meaning. Okay? So there you go, minutiae. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.